example, okay, 1 plus 2 over x plus 5 over x squared is equal to 0. So, how are you going to transform this into quadratic standard form? So, what we are going to do here is to get the LCD or the LCM, the least common multiple of this. So, the least common multiple of this is x squared. So, pag isahin natin yan, we are going to take that as x squared. Then, x squared divided by 1, which is the denominator of this, is x squared times this 1 will give you x squared. X squared divided by x will give you x, because 1x will be cancelled. So, yun yung i-multiply nyo doon sa numerator na 2. So, magiging 2x. Then, x squared divided by x squared will give you 1. I-multiply nyo doon sa 5. Then, you cross-multiply now x squared to 0. So, magiging 0 yan. Mawawala yung denominator. So, ang maiwan na lang is x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0. Now, we solve this by quadratic formula, quadratic equation. So, we get the value of a. The value of a is the numerical coefficient of the first term. Then b is the numerical coefficient of the middle term. C is the numerical, the constant term of the quadratic equation. Mende. Oh, you give me the value of a. Yeah, right. Ano yung value of a dito eh? Yan, kapitulog ka, di ko na. Yung value of a, ito dyan yung numerical coefficient na ito, at yung numerical coefficient na the x squared. Oh, yung bagada pa eh. Hindi ka makasipot. Urang ka sisipot. Oh, the numerical coefficient of the middle term. What is the numerical coefficient of the middle term?
2.
2. Oh, the constant term.
5.
Now you give me the quadratic formula. X is equal to? Anong 1? Minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So, substitute mo yung mga values ng a, b, c dito sa formula. Okay? So, minus 2 plus minus the square root of at dinod kayo. Yeah, sabi nga maalat ang hindi kalalain tayo. Iso na pa sa chat din. Oh, kuhayan sa video. Bayaan mo. No, nakapwede pa nag-analyze. Medyo nakapsot yung nag-process. At dinod na. Uray no, pakunwari lang. At least, ibagan niya yung teacher na ay, at dinod man. Ikaptuti, klapte. Ito mo eh, ang kabin din nun. Allah karot siya mamu. Okay, what is A? Nyati A dito eh?
1.
1. Nyati C?
5.
5. Oh. 2 times A. That is 1. Oh, the X now is minus 2 plus minus the square root of 4 minus 20 divided by 2. So x now is equal to minus 2 plus minus the square root of
16.
negative 16. So anong gagawin natin dyan sa negative 16? Maging complex number, di ba? Divided by 2. So x now is equal to minus 2 plus minus the square root of negative 16, that is 4i divided by 2. O, pag sinamlitan, so you can separate them. So, one value is negative 2 plus 4i divided by 2, and the other value is negative 2 minus 4i divided by 2. Mabali na may reduce dito? Yes, mabali na may reduce. Kantayo ha. So, cancel niya, balik na 1. So, negative 1. Negative 1 plus 2i. Yung isa naman is negative 1 minus 2i. J-root na complex number. Okay? That's how we're going to solve an equation reducible to quadratic standard form. Any question? Solve ang paiti may saan niya. May salaan. Ano nga minutes ito? So let's have another example. Itang taman na ito eh. Pinawag dinarigat ito. Puro nalalaka. Sumad. Nagsurtihan kayo ka puro nalalaka. O x over 3 tapos plus 3 over x is equal to 5 over 2. Dali naman. I-multiply mo na ito yamin 3 times x times 2. Ang bali ng 6x niya. Correct. 6x, yes. 3 times 2 is 6 times x is 6x. So, i-multiply tayo dito yung equation. So, plus 3 over x is equal to 5 over 2. We are going to multiply the whole equation by the LCM, 6x. Okay? So, 6x divided by 3 will give you 2x. Isulti multiply ulit dyan x. So, ang baliday nga 2x squared. Okay? 6x divided by x will give you, cancel the x and x. Mabati dyan 6. Nakatan nyo? So, di mo multiply dyan 3. So, ang baliday nga 18. 6x divided by 2 will give you 3x. Isulti may multiply dyan 5. So, 5 times 3, ang bali na 15x. There. Isin pa tayo. Transpose tayo dyan 15 yung jibangin. So, ang bali na nga 2x squared minus 15x plus 18 equals 0. Okay? Apa yung 0? Apa yung 0? Ha? Na-transfer dyan 15x yung jibangin. So, nagbati dyan awan. Di ba? Hanya awan. Tima. 0. Okay. Now we are going to verify if this could be solved by factoring. Okay? So, kita tayo man. Factor tayo dito 2x. Of course, 2x squared. At balin tayo nga 2x kan x. I-factor tayo dito 18. It's either at balin na 2 times 9 or 3 times 6. Di ba? Or 1 times 18. Silang tayo check balik na 15. So, 2 times 2 is 4x. 9 times x is 9x. 4x plus 9x, 13. Then you get 15. So, 3 times 2 will give you, dito pag sinuwatan tayo, balik na 6 times 3. 6 times 2 will give you, ano natin 6 times 2? 12x. Plus 3 times x will give you 3x. Agbalin na 15x, which is the middle term. So ano ito at that sign na parehas na negative. Tama. So ano natin ay multiply ng 6 jay 2x. So 6 dito ay 3 jay 2x dito ay tapos x dito ay tapos minus na 2 tapos negative times negative equals positive. Okay? Equals 0. Dahil ating factor na. Now, we equate each factor to 0. So, 2x minus 3 equals 0. Tapos ito minus x minus 6 equals 0. O transpose tayo 6, negative 6 in Japan, meron na positive. So, one root is 6. The other one is transpose negative 3 to the other side. At baliday ka nga 2x is equal to positive 3. Divide both sides by 2. X now is equal to 3 halves. 3 halves. Or 3 over 2. 3 halves. O n.